And in today's video, Motorola Ultra camera test. This smartphone can record all the way to 4K 60 frames per second, but for the purpose of this video, we're in 4K 30 because in 4K 60 you cannot switch lenses during the recording. I'm talking about wide angle, the main lens, and the telephoto is only 10 points instead of 20x zoom. So this is a wide angle lens, video stabilization. If you're on a vlog from that wide angle, this is how it's going to look like. Wide angle view. Let me stop for a bit. There you go. Alright, it will be a bit loud because we are close to the street. You can compare this video to any other smartphone which I test at the same place but different time. Alright, so let's test the telephoto. It's 2x, 3, 5, 5x, 10x. That's the maximum for 4K 60 and 20x. Can you read the license plate? Okay, the sun is directly in front of us, so barely. So if we go to the other side, maybe a little bit clearer. All right. Zooming again. 2x, 6, 10. You can read the license plate and you can zoom out nicely, and there you go. Do we have autofocus in wide angle lens? We do, and it is quick, very quick. Main lens also quick. Telephoto also available, and the next one also available. There is a dedicated button for macro. I mean, you cannot choose it sliding on the screen, you have to press on the screen. I will explain it later in the video. And with the dedicated macro, you could have all kinds of macro shooting. Well, that is absolutely amazing. Damn! Amazing. I wish we could have some kind of end. Oh, there it is. There it is. Where is she? There she is. Oh, she's too fast. She's way too fast. Okay, maybe later in the video we'll find some better spot. Front-facing camera, which is very wide, way wider than I've seen in any smart. Okay, maybe Huawei has similar wide front-facing camera. And 4K 30, that's the maximum resolution with very nice autofocus. Look how wide that is. Is it going to overexpose the sky? Oof, greatly. And I'm out of the frame. It will compensate. Why is this happening? It wants to brighten up my face. All right. I'm using external microphones. Are they on? Let's hope they are. Yeah. And there you go. Internal microphone. This is how it sounds like directly to Motorola X50 Ultra. There you go. Very nice. All right. What else? What other features do we have in this smartphone? Features in the camera department. All right. Let me start. Okay. Let me start with slow motion, which is for 960, 240, or 120, and you can also add a mic if you wanted. That is super cool. Video in Full HD or 4K. 4K 60 is also available, but you cannot switch lenses during the recording. You can see there is no wide angle available. If you go to the wide angle, all right, we do have a horizon lock, which is mostly known from the GoPros and action cameras. Well, super cool, but only in Full HD. We do have a macro mode, which you have to tap. You can't slide, and you have to tap on it. And with the macro video, you can go very, very close. I mean, Damn, that is close. It'd be nice if we find some kind of end or something. And video. There you go. That is sick, my friend. That is amazing. Amazing features. 3x and 6x. You can go all the way to 20x and 30 frames per second and 10x and 60. But it's all electronic zoom. And you know how it goes. Alright. Going to a video. Maybe going back to a video in the front-facing camera. We do have beauty mode, if you wanted to. You can make all kinds of beauty stuff in here. Alright, let's turn it off. We will have 4K. You can see 4K 60. You can switch to the external microphone if you wanted to, like we are at the moment, because it's very windy, so it will help me recording the beautiful audio. Alright, of course we can do 16:9 and let's go back to the photo. And in the photo department, how much zoom can we got? And we can make a lot of zoom. Check out that bird. Nice. And bam. Is the AI going to help me? That is the question. 100x. How far is that bird? Very far. Let's see that picture. AI. Oop, ouch. Do remember that that this is a huge zoom. All right, this one came out now. No, this is a huge zoom. Again, 100x, maybe to AC. Look how steady that is. It doesn't matter what's on the view. Look how steady it is. Wow, very, very steady. There's also filters, if you wanted to. A lot of filters, tons of them. And fast mode, what does that mean? It means it will take a photo of fast moving subject. Just like that. But I can see all those photos are, damn, sharp. I like that. I like that a lot. All right. Portrait mode. Portrait is in nice. 85, 24, 35 and 50. And if you go to the front-facing camera, bam, there you go. 4:3 or 16:9 if you wanted to. It's also bokeh effect slider if you want more or less. But we didn't check. Or did we? Photo? Yeah, we did. All right. All right. Portrait. There you go. There's the Pro mode for front and back camera, so we can shoot RAW and Super RAW and RAW and JPEG. Scan if you want to scan the document. I'm not sure how this works because it didn't perform like the regular HD document scanner. And in the mode department, we do have dual capture. And dual capture, you can record in both cameras at the same time. How cool is that? You can also put the lens wherever you like. You can switch. There you go. That's very, very cool. Very cool. You can do a wide angle. You can do main lens. But it's blinking when you're changing the lens, which is weird, but that's what it is. And also, you can switch to the half a screen. And it's also super cool. All right, what else do we have? More. We do have long exposure, dual capture for video. That was for the photo. It's basically the same. And Ultra HD, 50 megapixel pictures. Check out the building. This is one of the biggest buildings in Central Europe, and the biggest crane in Central Europe. And this crane is insanely big. And a wide angle. I love how wide that angle is. It's very wide. Let me check those pictures. Damn! Wow! Yeah, I just fixed that flare. It looks even better now. Damn! It's very, very good in the picture department. Also, we do have photo booth, which is... Let me show it to you. You're pressing once, and it will combine them each other to a photo booth experience. Let me show you some pictures, and there'll be a link in the description for you to download original samples without any compression. Look how big is that DAC. It's huge. For the Lark 2, link in the description for this microphone too, because it is great.
There's a star waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a star waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, 'cause he knows it's all worthwhile. He told me, let the children lose it. Let the children use it. Let all the children boogie.
Conclusion, this smartphone is great for macro, photo and video. One of the best macro lens. Usability wise, maybe even the best. There are some more powerful macro lenses, but they're pretty hard to use. You have to be like millimeter from the subject. This one, usability wise, is exactly at the spot. I like that a lot. Vloggers also will be satisfied. Such a wide angle in the front-facing camera with autofocus and also main lens wide angle. Such a camera. Photos also decent, not fantastic, but decent. Only one thing is missing: front and back switching lenses during the recording. But most of the people don't use that. They have iPhones which are lack of that feature too, and they're happy about it. So I'm just picking things. Yeah. In the end, this is a great smartphone. Link in the description for you, with additional discount code and a fantastic discount price. See you next video. Bye.